Do you think you are a creative person? Is it easy for you to come up with unique ideas when people around you fail? Well, there is a myth in the field of psychology that if you use more the left part of your brain, you are better in logical mathematical tasks. If you are a right-brainer, you excel in empathy, artistic abilities, and creativity. This last part might have just been busted by a recent finding of Dr. Roger Beatty's team. First, scientists analyzed which part of the brain generates creative thoughts and discovered that it happens in 3 areas that don't necessarily work together. Creative people have the ability to create unique links between these areas, which are default mode network, which activates when we aren't doing anything, and then we start mind wandering. That is the default mode network. It is also associated with memory. Now comes in the salience network, which elaborates stimuli from the 5 senses and emotional ones. So also the ideas coming from the default network. It decides which ideas, which informations are worthy of processing. Lastly, the executive control network, which between its functions makes people keep paying attention to a thing, to that idea that matters. In the experiment to discover this, the scientists asked people to use common items like a knife, a rope, a brick, while monitoring their brain using fMRI. The creative ideas were now rated. Scientists noted that the more brilliantly the brain was sparkling, the stronger the connections were, the more creative these ideas were. They was literally able to predict if an idea was about to be very creative by watching the resonance. So, creativity has little to do with the right or left area of the brain. Think of big mathematicians or engineers. Left-brainers, but very creative. Quoting Dr. Beatty, creative thinking is a whole brain endeavor. Creative ways to use this hat. Got it! It's a scarf.